Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, Tom Card Games at Motorbike MTG. We're popping off our first episode by unboxing this Dominaria Remastered Collector Booster Box. And I'm not going to adjust any cards, so if we pull something right off the bat, great. Ooh. Great, that's always good. Urza's Incubator. It's a great one. Chain Lightning. Look at that Retro Forest. It's definitely a great card. Stonewood Evoker. Nightscape Familiar. Pacifism. Aquamobia. Goblin Turncoat. Okay, and that was pack number is currently about 12 o'clock at night. Okay, it's a token instant creature. Sulphur Falls, it's a land. Let's show why that's there. Triskelion. Another one of these Jester's Cap. Sulphuric Vortex. That's a great one for those burn decks. Okay. Turnabout. Mogwar Marshals. There's another cool one. A Swamp Retro. I might just put those to the side. Might add them to my deck. Okay. Remedy. Battlefield Scrounger. Okay. That was number 2. Great pack. Hopefully the card gods are with us. And we pull a great tutor. Elephant. Zerth. Here. Ooh, Worldly Tutor. Great. That's a good one. So let's tutor card. I'll put all the tutor cards to the side. Okay. Sylvian Library. Okay. Just reading a little bit. Sorry, I'll keep it moving. Okay. Pull that one. Nice. I guess I'll find a lot of these retro heroes. It's a great retro playing card. I always like the line. This is 2 sorceries. Great foils. A lot of great foils in here. Phyrexian Ghoul. Oh, those Phyrexians always look really great. Okay. These goblins. I always have a bone to pick with these goblins. Engineer, Mentor, Master. Mystic Tutor. Okay. There it is, another one. Worldly Tutor. That's 2 Worldly Tutors. Wrath of God. Script. Not an expensive one, but not a bad one. Okay. That was definitely the last one for that. Alrighty. I'm always very iffy about opening these. I feel like I might bend the card, which would be the worst. This might be one of the less exciting ones. Ooh, okay. I mean, it may not be expensive, but that is really great art. Really, really good artwork. Okay. And as this being my first video, please let me know if maybe just going too fast, or it's a shame that fell. It fell in a safe area. It fell in a safe area. Okay, we got a zombie. Nice. And Tim. Great. Look at that. Perfect. Not bad, not bad. Not mad about getting these lands. Wow, there was another one. Okay. Looks like we're about halfway. Can't say I'm happy about our journey on our first box being halfway through. Always nice to have more packs to open Glory. So set that one to the side. Dark Depths, huh? Let's look into that. A lot of these cards, I'll make sure all the prices are accounted for. They will be priced to what TCG has them in, as that is my main source on looking for prices, or just making sure that I'm not getting cheated. Just ordered this card. Not an expensive card, but I always feel like I should have waited. And let me know in the comments if anybody see anything juicy. Okay. They look so great. These are some of the better looking packs that I've seen. Great time playing this game. Ah, look at that. There's this incubator. That is a very, very nice artwork of it. I'll put that to the side. Probably put that in my Ululak deck. Ooh, Birds of Paradise. A few cards signed by him at the Magic Con out in Vegas. And just great people overall. Great people. It was my first time going to a Magic Con, and I honestly had the best time in the world. Okay. I am so sorry for the bad quality of video, as this is my first video. Just got out of work and I was so excited to just come and make the video first for sure. But overall, you just want to open up packs. Give everyone a fresh breath. It's like opening up a new box of shoes, or getting that fresh new book. Okay, elephant. Come on, let me get a good tutor. Boom. I'll put this over here. 50 or more life, I'll take that. Top the tree. Helm of Awakening. Spells cost one less to cast. Oh, that definitely will go in my Ululak deck. There's one. Finally got one of the cheaper counter spells. Those blue players. Some of my best friends are blue players, if I want to call them that, I guess. And we'll take a little slip there. Okay. It's really, really great when you get one of those artworks that no one has, or really haven't seen, I guess you can say. Lotus Blossom. Okay. That's some it. That's great artwork of it. put that one here just because it's really cool. Keep on drawing the zombie. Come on. Okay. Just pull that one, the last pack. There's another one. Yes, I really like those. I'm gonna put those in my decks. And I just bought this box just for fun. I will be sharing half of the spoils with my best bud. Not for one victory. Oh, look at that. This is a beautiful pile right here. Definitely will recycle that accordingly. Ah, nice. Come on, tutor. Oh, no tutor. Okay, I pulled a retro of this one early on. Not mad at it, but okay. So basically a tutor for a goblin. Swamp card, yes. The color combination. Wow, beautiful. I just love how they shine. If anybody else likes how great these foil cards look, please let me know, and I'll buy more. We can open them together, and I don't know. Hopefully one day I can donate some of these cards. Unfortunately, this is the last pack. It was great seeing what came out of this. I am actually really happy. I pulled really great artwork for this. Good tutors. Can utilize those in some of my decks. Oh, these goblins. Why am I pulling so many goblins? My friend has a goblin deck that he loves torturing me with. Another decimate card and Graham Lawrence. Okay. Ooh, an Elder Dragon. Love how that shines. Look at that. Oh, got a Mind Stone. That's cute. Okay. Looks like that's going to be it for our first journey.